Hello, today we're in a private gated community of Rolling Hills Estates. Just wanted to show people what this place looks like behind the gate. There's the gate we came in through with security. So you cannot just drive up here. It's a private gated community. You have to know somebody that lives here to call security and get you through the gate. It's located on top of a huge hill pretty close to the ocean, and there's 3 cities on top of this big hill, which is Rolling Hills Estates where we are. Then there's Palos Verdes Estates and Rancho Palos Verdes. And actually Tiger Woods got into an accident not too far from here. I think he was on the border of Rolling Hills and Palos Verdes. That was a few years ago. And more recently, you might have heard about the landslides they're having in Portuguese Bend, which is only a few miles away from here. There are some houses that are sinking. And also, one of my favorite movies, Point Break. Some scenes from that movie were shot here by the ocean. We're not too far from the beach here, or there's cliffs. So I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what we are. It's a big hill right above Torrance, California, and we're west of San Pedro. A lot of horses out here. There's horseback riding, horse crossings, as it says on the road here. As you can see, the houses are pretty large, and they're even hard to see from the street, from the road. They're set back pretty far. And in a way, this kind of reminds me of the community of Hidden Hills. I did a previous video about that as well. It seems like there's more land here, and so the houses are even more spread out. And it's pretty far from there, actually. Probably about 70 miles from Hidden Hills or so. Hidden Hills would be about 30 miles northwest of downtown, and we're south of downtown LA. Just wanted to kind of get a video of this because easily accessible, so I just wanted to maybe give people a glimpse of what it looks like behind the gate in case somebody's interested. I guess we'll find out. See the ocean already. Looks like we're going down the hill here. Maybe we'll get some nice views. Oh, and there was a sign that says land movement, use extreme caution. this part of the street was repaved. So I wonder if that was due to those land movements. There's definitely some bumps in the road. There's the ocean right there, right down the hill. So we're just kind of coming up the hill, and now we're going down the hill towards the Pacific Ocean right there. Ends. Oh, look at that. There's some horses up there in the stables. Got a view of the city down below. So we're going away from the ocean now and down into the city. That's Torrance in front of us.